Hi guys, Paul at Mr. English, one of the directors at Brilliant Academy. Okay, now there's a couple of things we're going to do at the moment and for the next few days and weeks. It's in relation to pronunciation. One of the most important things in relation to how other people can interpret and how other people can understand you. Now, there are a few rules that you can actually follow, and I want you to actually understand and listen to what I'm saying in relation to this. Simply put, if you follow these rules, you'll be able to pronounce certain words and be able to listen to certain people, understanding what they are saying and how they are saying it. So, first rule, learn to listen. Learn to listen. Learn to listen to the pronunciation. Now, how can you do this? Okay, now before you learn how to speak, you'll need to learn how to listen. Some sounds could be hard to tell apart when you're listening. Did the speaker sleep or slip? Did he hurt his chin or his shin? If you can hear the difference, it will be easier to speak the difference as well. So find words which are pronounced very similar, but spelled a little different, and listen to those words. Okay, what's the difference? And then when you've heard the difference, then you practice. And then you can actually listen to your pronunciation once you've recorded what you are saying. Okay, now rule 2 in relation to this is notice how your mouth and lips are moving. Now it's extremely important for any language to check how you're doing this as well. Okay, now when you speak or move your mouth, okay, check how you're doing it. How does it affect how you pronounce a word? It'll make all the difference if you understand how you are pronouncing that word. Now, the first step by correcting your mouth shape is to notice it and pay attention. How are we going to do this? What ways can you do this to check what you're doing with your mouth and lips? Okay, to make sure that the correct shape is being formed when you pronounce the words. Now, first of all, I would suggest is use a mirror. Okay, it might be a little bit embarrassing. Maybe you don't like it. Okay, but it's very important. Okay, it's the simplest way to tell what your mouth is doing while you talk. Okay, second rule I would say in regards to noticing how your mouth and lips are working basically or moving is to pull a finger in front of your lips. Okay, like this. Okay, like you're saying shh. Okay, so if you're doing this, okay, you're going to be seeing how you repeat the words. Okay, as you speak, don't move your finger though. You should feel you should feel your finger moving against your lips. Okay, then you can see how you're actually pronouncing the word. What are the motions in regards to what you're doing? Okay, another thing is in regards to okay, how are you pronouncing that? This, for example, that, through. Okay, listen. Okay, feel how you're pronouncing the word. Then check in regards to looking at other people, how they pronounce. Practice, repeat how they're pronouncing the certain word. It's so much easier then for other people, especially native speakers like myself, to be able to understand what you're saying. Okay, so 2 rules for today. Okay, we're going to be doing a few further videos in regards to these. So you can learn English at Mr. English and you can pronounce words perfectly.